Bruce Milligan from CellPro Repair Solutions here, just doing a iPad screen replacement on an A1297. That's A1297 iPad 7. I think it's a 10.2 inch. Anyways, there's lots of videos out there with the screen replacement or the digitizer replacement on it, but what they aren't showing in those videos are these annoying little sticky rubber things in the corner here, the sort of sticky adhesive. Anyways, they have this on, I think, the iPad 6 as well, so it seems to be a new thing they're doing, but I'll show you how to get around it. Alright, so you need something to heat it up with. I've set this at about 200 degrees Celsius, and what I do is I heat it up from underneath, and you heat it up for quite a while. And then as you're heating it, you sort of put it on the edge of the table, and then you just sort of, first off, you pick off all the rubber or the plastic or tar or whatever the hell it is with some tweezers. And so you got to pick it all off, and then you just work it. And just keep working it and keep heating it from underneath. So what I do is sort of like this here. I'll put it with my heat resistant mat on the edge of the table. I heat it up, setting it at 200. And I just kind of work it. And it requires a lot of patience, but eventually it'll just pop up on you. And just kind of move it like that after you've worked away all the tar. Keep heating it up. Just make sure. Yeah, keep heating it up. And eventually it'll just come loose. Alright, so that's how you do it. Alright, thanks guys.